ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्वशाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 815. So sannyasa prakaranam is going on, and Purvapakshi said that okay, let there be parivrajyam, but yajñopavitadi can be there. Siddhanti said that if sarvasva tyaga is vihita, when everything is given up, then parishishta bhiksha upadanena vihitam api bhikshacharanam upavitadi anakshepakam. Parishishta bhiksha means I have given up everything. Concept we should understand. When a person gives up everything for survival, he will need food. So that bhikshacharyam charanti, that if you say it is a vidhi vakya, sannyasa, but for bhiksha means asking for food, you don't need yajñopavita. Bhikshacharanam, because it is shesha pratipatti karmavat. So it is a parishishta bhiksha upadanam, grahanam. When I have given up everything, I will need food, I have to go and ask for it. That by itself will not enforce yajñopavita on the person. Like the bhakshanam in the yaga, whatever you have offered, after that, if something is there, you can partake it. In Tika, third line, aprayojakam dravya visheshasya anakshepakam iti yavat. Aprayojakam dravya visheshasya anakshepakam. That which is aprayojakam, it is not akshepaka for dravya vishesha. This is in the context of yaga. Yadva darshtantikam, so that was in drishtanta. Or darshtantikam eva sputayati. He says we will explain darshtantikam only. Shesha pratipatti karmatvat aprayojakam hi tat asamskarakatvacha. Shesha pratipatti karmatvat. It is a shesha pratipatti karma. Shesha pratipatti karma means what is remaining, now you have to take care of it. But how you take care of it? Vidhivat. That is given, see in Tika. So it is not prayojakam, it is aprayojakam. How? See, sarvasva tyage vihite sheshasya kalasya sharira patantasya pratipatti karma matram bhikshacharyam ato na tad upavitadi prapakam ityartha. This is the main meaning. Sarvasva tyage vihite, sarvasva tyaga is there in sannyasa. Then sheshasya kalasya, whatever time that is remaining for that, sharira patantasya, up to the sharira pata, some bhiksha is needed. So that is pratipatti karma matram bhikshacharya. अतो तद उपवीतादि न प्रापकम न तद उपवीतादि प्रापकम. Therefore yajñopavita etc. will not be enforced on that person. किंच भिक्षाचर्यस्य शरीर स्थित्या एव आक्षिप्तत्वात् न तत्रापि विधिः. भिक्षाचर्यस्य शरीर स्थित्या एव आक्षिप्तत्वात्. भिक्षाचर्यम is sharir sthitya eva akshiptam. Bhikshacharanam itself is akshiptam. How? Because you have to maintain your sharira. That's why, see, bhikshacharya is also upalakshanam. Those all people who take sannyasa and live in this way, Maharaj gives lot of examples, because here and up there is more of this. Down there is not as much of this following. But like when person has given up everything traditionally, and now every day he gets food, let us say, but he goes to Annakshetra. But when cold weather is there, so they give blankets also here, or some now jackets they give. That is also part of bhiksha only. You take it. And sometimes person is sick, so they will need some medicine. So in the shop, either you go to some free dispensary where they give you medicines for free. If you have to take some medicine, you need some money. So that dakshina also is part of bhiksha only. If you go from house to house, they may not give dakshina. They may give dakshina. It depends upon that person. Bhiksha annam is considered pavitram. For sannyasi, if he takes bhiksha, it is pavitra only. So then you don't have to worry much about who has cooked this, that, because you don't have options. Sometimes if you are, actually they say the papa will go to the person who is making, if they don't have pavitrata, purity. It will not go to the sannyasi, because sannyasi does not have any option now. Whatever food is available, if it is some annakshetra, etc., he will take it. He doesn't have to worry. And then that vidivashat praptena santushyatam ityadi, all those niyamas are also there. For sharira nirvaha, that's all. Sharira sthiti. So bhikshacharyam is akshiptam, na tatrapi vidhi. So there also vidhi is not needed. Without vidhi also akshiptatvad bhikshacharyam is there. Dure tadvashad upavita di siddhi. Far from it is the siddhi of upavita. Upavita siddhi, how Purva Pakshi was proposing. Upavita siddhi will come, Purva Pakshi said, because there is vidhi in sannyasa. Any vihita vakya requires yajñopavita, shikha, etc. Right? So if bhiksha itself is not a vidhi, means it is for sharira sthiti. Yeshana traya tyaga, if you take bhiksha artha, in that you can say it is vidhi. As far as bhojan part is concerned, there is no need of vidhi. If there is no vidhi, there is no need of yajñopavita. Simple. So it is asamskarakatvat. Bhojanadi is not for your samskara. In other words, the idea is anything that will do your samskara through vidhi will require yajñopavita. Like Gayatri Japa, Sandhya Vandanam, they will do my samskara. They will bring chitta shuddhi. Therefore, I need yajñopavita. And when a person has understood Swabhavatah I am Nitya Shuddha, then he does not need any Yajnopavit for another samskara. That's how they say Yajnopavit samskara. Inka Yajnopavit sanskar ho gaya, like that. So Yajnopavita is one of the sanskara which will help you for other samskar sadhana. Tadeva sphutyate. Sphutyate karmani prayoga. Sphutayati, if it is given, then kartari. नंबर टिप्पणी. अच्छा, असंस्कार. भक्षणम पुरुष संस्कारकमपि स्यात्, न तु भिक्षाचर्यम. सी भक्षणम पुरुष संस्कारकमपि स्यात्. भक्षणम अभिशुद्ध्य हुत्वा भक्षयन्ति, दैट भक्षणम. भूतशेष भक्षणम कैन बी संस्कारकम. Because in Drishtanta, Purvapakshi gave that Drishtanta, you remember? On the previous page. Previous to previous page.
In A12, page A12, Bhashya.
812?
Yes, Bhashya.
Yes. Abhishutya hutva bhakshayanti. Thank you. Fourth line in Bhashya. Abhishutya hutva bhakshayanti iti. So that can be samskara karanam, because it is still part of vidhi. But not to bhikshacharyam. Bhikshacharyam, you don't need. You already need enough vairagya for bhikshacharanam. Because all kinds of food, those people who eat bhiksha, they can write a book on what all kinds of experiences they had in bhojanam. I mean, one book is not enough. You can write multiple books. It is an experience. Bhikshacharyam. Tika. Ekakalam charet bhaiksham. That you have bhiksha only one. Means now Annakshetras, most Annakshetras in Rishikesh are twice. And in Uttarakashi also, now morning Annakshetra is there. Sometimes Kailash used to give afternoon, I remember. But now there also both the times probably is there. But otherwise people know morning here, evening there. Because what happens, when Swamiji was explaining, he was saying these young brahmacharis, once you come in mid-20s to Uttarakashi or Rishikesh, and you walk from one ashram to one ashram for this class, that class, you will be very hungry. Those people who come, let's say after 30s, maybe mid-30s, late 30s, early 40s, and they have already beaten up their health, digestive system, everything. They will not be that hungry that they will need breakfast also, lunch also, dinner also. Not 3 meals are not needed. But those who are in their early 20s or mid-20s and those who go to such places, problem is to survive there. 6 months, 1 year, you may manage. 1.5, 2 years. For multiple reasons. One is to tell others that I have lived there. This has become one of the biggest reasons. That Mahatma told me Uttarkashi, living in Uttarkashi has become more fashion for a sadhu. That I have lived in Uttarkashi. What you did there, they don't ask me. How you manage, every day I am just wondering when my time is over so that I go down. This is all they think of. And then they give their resident address as Uttarkashi, and most of the time they are down. Like I know one student, at least 4 times. Every time he goes up and down, he'll stop by and see me. So I scolded him once. What is this? Only to tell people that I am living in Uttarkashi. Otherwise, most of the time you are down. Now he's down only. But this is natural. To live up is, for short time, is good enough. You love it. Everybody, you can tell. So long term, if you are there and this Iksha, everything you have to handle, and purpose is study. Somebody else told me 1 year because they sign rent outside if they live. He said, I know how I have lived there. Every day, only thing is how I will survive from cold and this cloudy weather. This is all that they think. There is no Brahmachintana. And one Swamiji in Uttarkashi told me, Swamiji, yahan koi padta nahi. Those vakyas are in general. There are people who study, but majority is all other activities. And Gangotri's story is different. Today there is no water. Today there is no toilet is clogged. This, that, and then with the Mahatmas they tell us. So then we know this is how we understand, because otherwise everybody feels this is such a wonderful thing. You know, he lives in Gangotri in Gufa. गुफा में क्या करते हैं वो तो भगवान जाने. नित्यः उपवीतादिकम अपि आक्षिपति. सिद्धांत से नो. नियमादृष्टस्यापि ब्रह्मविदो अनिष्टत्वात्. नियम अदृष्ट, that niyam adrishta means some niyama which will produce adrishta. Niyama vidhi is there. Vidhi means it will produce punya. This is for Brahmajnani, that is anishta. Anishta means it is not required. He doesn't want adrishta. In other words, it will come, or I will tell you now itself. You see that line in Tika. Vividisho ho tad ishtamapi na upavitadi akshepakam. ज्ञानोत्पादक श्रवणादि उपयोगी देह स्थिति अर्थत्वेन एव चरितार्थत्वाद इति भावः. विविदिशोस्तद इष्टमपि. For a vividishu, it is ishtam. What is ishtam?
Niyama adrishtasya.
Niyama adrishta. Niyama adrishta is ishtam for vividishu. Given in 18 number tippani. No upavitadi akshepakam, but it will not do akshepa of upavita. Jnanotpadaka shravanadi upayogi. What is most important is jnana. Tat utpadaka is shravana. For that shravana, upayogi is deha. Deha sthiti, because if sharira is not proper, then this part you cannot do, that part you cannot do, etc., etc. So sharir deha sthiti is needed. Deha sthiti arthatvena eva charitarthatvat. So for deha sthiti, I have to keep my own niyama. That, like many people, after certain time of the day, they will not eat. Why? Why? Because let's say I am extremely hungry at 8:30 or 9 o'clock at night. I should remember that is poison for me. I eat anything, it is going to hurt me tomorrow. So the niyama is no eating after 5 o'clock or 5:30, whatever niyama you decide, whatever suits you. After that, if I am hungry, drinking water is better than eating food and then suffering. This kind of, so those niyamas I myself will put. Here it is given ekakalam charet bhaiksham. So then anyway niyama has come. तर्हि यथा कथंचिद उपनतेन अन्येन शरीर स्थिति संभवात् भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति इति वाक्यं व्यर्थम् इति शंकते. Then yatha kathanchid upanatena anyena, whatever that is obtained, available, by that sharir sthiti will happen. So then why bhikshacharyam charanti? Anyway it will happen. He says no. So he is doing shanka in Purva Paksha, in Bhashya. Niyama drashtasya anishtatve kim bhikshacharyena. If niyama drashta is anishta, for here it is given Brahma Vidaha. Brahma Vidaha means not only Brahma Jnani, but anybody who is seeking Brahma Jnanam. For that person also, Niyama Drashta is not needed. Means Punya arising from such Niyama is not needed. Kim Bhikshacharyena iti chet tika. Bhikshacharyanu pratigrihadi nivrityarthatvat वाक्यस्य न अनर्थक्यम इति उत्तरम आह. भिक्षाचर्य अनुवादेन प्रतिगृहादि निवृत्त्यर्थत्वात्. By भिक्षाचर्य अनुवाद, कृषि वाणिज्य, this is prohibited. Nivritti from this. For whom? Sannyasi. Sannyasi. On these things Maharaj Ji elaborates. Because many people, they take sannyasa and then they give so much time in garden only. Because they don't know how to study for long. So all the time gardening, krishi. And now you are worried that monkey will eat this sabji and squirrels will eat that thing. And charcha vishay will become this only. This is one. And second is Vanijya. Vanijya means they may not have business as such, but some source of income. So what is the source of income? They will do this katha, etc. after sannyasa. Or indirectly they will gather funds, like they will tell someone. Maharaj was saying, if somebody will ask, where are you staying? So they will not say ashram. Asman ke under the sky I live. So somebody will think he lives in open sky. So in some roof they need something. They will give money like that. Bhikshacharya anuvadena pratigrihadi nivrit. So other occupations, other means by which too much of time is taken away, those things sannyasi should not do. That is why Bhikshacharya means, acha, then there are other Swayampaki. This is always one discussion. Swayampaki means I cook for myself. Why? Because I need this purity. It is not for purity, because you cannot eat ashram food. This is your problem. आपको ये टेस्ट चाहिए, दिस नमक इसमें कम है, इसमें मिर्ची ज्यादा है, इसमें ये खटा तो डाला ही नहीं। So then they have this, they say, I cook myself. That is also nivritti. Now all you will do is this only, cooking. प्रतिग्रहादि निवृत्त्यर्थत्वात् वाक्यस्य न अनर्थक्यम् इति उत्तरमः। न अन्य साधनात् व्युत्थानस्य विहितत्वात्। What is the objective of bhikshacharyam? Anya sadhanat vyutthanam. From any other thing you get out. Don't do anything else. Imagine if Bhagavan Bhashyakar sees how people are sannyasis. That's why in Bhajagavindam he gave a lot of instructions. Nivritti, the objective of sannyasa is nivritti from karma, and that time I should employ for Shravana Manan Nididhyasana. If somebody gives you some project also, another thing I have noticed, we saw Vittam, Manusham Vittam is only for karma. What is required to that extent if you take Vittam, for like how we said, when some food is not available or medicines or some such thing. Other than that, Vittam will bring karma. Now Vittam is there, you need to do project. So best is you keep Vittam away so that karma stays away. Once you have Vittam, you say, now I think I should have my Kutia or something. So this is Vittam and karma, they are associated. So Nivritti Upadeshena Vakyasya Arthavatve api tad Upadeshasya na Arthavatvam. But tad Upadesha is, so by Nivritti Upadesha, Vakya is Arthavatvam. Vakyasya Arthavatvam, which Vakya? Bhikshacharya Vakya. But Purvapakshi says, but that Upadesha is not Arthavat. Upadesha doesn't have Artha anymore. Why? Kutastha Atma Jnanena eva sarva nivrittehe siddhehe. All nivritti will happen with Atma Jnanam. Tadhapi kim tena iti chet. Purvapakshi is asking. यदि निष्क्रिय आत्मज्ञानात् अशेष निवृत्ति ही स्यात् तर्हि तद अस्माभिरपि स्वीक्रियते सत्यम इति अंगीकरोति. सिद्धांति says if कूटस्थ आत्मज्ञानेन सर्व निवृत्ति takes place, we love it, we accept it, we don't have objection to that. यदि स्यात् बाढ़म अभ्युपगम्यते हि तत्. Ba. If it happens, it is Badam. Badam, it is good. Tad abhyupagamyate hi, we accept that. Yadi tu क्षुदादि दोष प्राबल्यात् आत्मानं निष्क्रियम अपि विस्मृत्य. See this, another one. क्षुदादि दोष प्राबल्यात् आत्मानं निष्क्रियमपि विस्मृत्य प्रार्थनादि परो भवति तदा निवृत्ति उपदेशोपि भवति अर्थवान् इति भावः. Let's say sometime he has too much hunger and bhiksha is not available. Or food is there but he cannot eat anything out of that, let us say. So Kshudadi dosha prabalyat. So he has jnanam, I am Kutastha Brahma. But hunger is so much he will forget this jnanam at that time, that I am Brahma, I am Kutastha. They have given example of Shud, but Adi Padena, Rogadi also. Some Roga is there. He has learnt I am Brahma. But that disease has become so much, which for some most people, they have to go through some or the other disease. At that time, Atmanam Vismritya, he will forget that I am Atma, Brahma, and Prarthanadi Parobhavati. Prarthana means he will request Bhagwan, what is this? Bhagwan, remove this problem. Bhagwan, do this. Bhagwan, do that. Tada Nivritti Upadesho api arthavat. So at that time, this Nivritti Upadesha, that you should not do such karma, you should not do upasana of prarthana. The asking Bhagwan to fix this, fix that, nothing. Prarthanadi para, this is also not allowed. This sannyasi should not ask that Bhagwan, you solve this problem of mine and that problem of mine, nothing. That's why this Upadesha will become Arthavan. Nivritti Upadesho api bhavati Arthavan iti bhava. Because slowly, if you start hearing, this, some Mahatma is there and who is 108 Chandi Path, 108 this, that, for maybe Jagat Kalyan, whatever they give, they might have their objective also. He says nothing. You remember you are Nishkriya Kutastha Brahma, and on that strength, Nivritti. If some dosha comes, Shudadi, main thing is Roga. Shuddha, it's one-time thing. But some long-term disease, no such prarthana. I am Brahma, this buddhi should remain. Prag ukta vakya virodhat nivritti upadesho ashakya iti chet. Prag ukta vakya which is given earlier, Yagnopavitadi. So by that, virodhat nivritti upadesho ashakya, Siddhanti will say this, that if he wants nivritti, then Yagnopavitadi are not possible. If Yagnopaviti is there, Nivritti Upadesha will be ashakya. Iti chet tatraha yani parivrajya abhihitani vachanani Yagnopaviti eva adhita ityadini tani avidvat parivrajya matra vishayani iti parihritani. Purvapakshi says, if then Nivritti will not be possible if Yagnopavita is there. He says this, see this vakya. Yani parivrajya abhihitani vachanani. In parivrajya, if such sentences are there, you need linga, linga means clothes, etc. You need kamandalu, you need tridanda, you need yajnopavita, shikha, all these. And then you do some Vedadhyanam, this, that. Adhita ityadini, yajnopaviti eva adhita. They are only for Ajnani. Tani avidvat parivrajya matra vishayani. Those vakyas are for such sannyasis who don't do Shravana. Those who do other things. They should have everything. So that they are tied by some niyamas. And therefore they are parihritani. They should be rejected. In their parihara is done. Mukhya parivrat vishayatve uktam dosham smarayati. In mukhya parivrat, which is in the form of atmajnanam, itaratha atmajnana badha syat iti hi uktam. Otherwise, atmajnana badha will happen. They will interfere with your shravanadi. निवृत्ति उपदेश अनुग्राहकत्वेन स्मृतिरुदाहरति. Now निवृत्ति उपदेश अनुग्राहक is स्मृति. निराशिषमनारंभम निर्नमस्कारमस्तुतिम् अक्षीणं क्षीणकर्माणं तन्देवा ब्राह्मणं विदुः. निराशिषम. In Tippani they have elaborated, Bade Maharaj ji has given. Ashi can mean prarthana also. Nirashisham means you don't do any prarthana. Prarthana, which is, see here in, it is the desire for growth. So if somebody says, Mahatma ji, you are like God for me. Bless me, and so that I have bigger ashram, bigger kutia. And they want Ashirwad for these things. Nirashisham. Brahmana should be, means sannyasi, Brahmajnani should be Nirashisham. No such Ashirwad he wants. Only Ashirwad is if he starts any Adhyana Adhyapana, it should complete without Vigna. Nirvigna Parisamapti. That's all. Which is why Ishta Devata, Guru, Prarthana is there. Anarambham. No karma taken up. That if I get some wealth, then I will have some. I'm thinking of starting Annakshetra. Why? Because I know a lot of cooking. All these Annakshetras, they don't know how to cook. So I will start. But I need some funds, etc. So now you gather. Anarambham. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha. But what is that? At the 18th chapter. Sarvarambha hi doshena. Most people, 3rd chapter, 4th chapter, 12th chapter, up to that, their gadi will go. 18th chapter quotation means 13th chapter to out of range totally. Sarvarambha hi doshena dhumenagni rivavrataha. All arambha means karma. Like how dhuma sambandha is there with Agni, all will have dosha. All karma. Therefore, he should not enter into any of those. Anarambha. Nirnamaskara. Astutim. No namaskara, no stuti. No namaskar, no stuti means he doesn't expect. Nistutir nirnamaskaraha. Then yatir yadrichiko bhavet. Nistutir nirnamaskara. So he doesn't have to do stuti to anyone. He doesn't expect stuti, namaskar, or swaha, swadha, no pitru dhanam, no devata, nothing. He doesn't have to do anything for anyone. Akshinam. And he is not like a beggar. But kshina karmanam. His karmas are over or about to get over. Tam deva brahmanam viduhu. Akshina literally means the one whose wealth is not getting over. He has lot of wealth. Which wealth? Is jnanam. टीका अमुख्य सन्यासी विषयत्व असंभवात् मुख्य परिव्राट विषयम व्युत्थान वाक्यम इति उपसंहरति. Before that, in टीका in भाष्य इति सर्व कर्म अभावम दर्शयति स्मृतिर विदुषः. विदुषः सर्व कर्म अभावम स्मृति ही दर्शयति. स्मृति, that स्मृति वाक्य says for a ज्ञानी there is no karma. विद्वान लिंग वर्जितस् तस्माद अलिंगो धर्मज्ञ इति च. विद्वान is लिंग वर्जितः and therefore अलिंगः. This भिक्षाचर्यम चरन्ति is मुख्य पारिव्राट. Therefore तस्मात् परमहंस पारिव्राज्यमेव व्युत्थान लक्षणम प्रतिपद्येत. Therefore here व्युत्थानम is परमहंस पारिव्राज्यम आत्मविद सर्वकर्म साधन परित्याग रूपम इति. And for Atmajnani, it is giving up all karma. Sarva karma sadhana parityaga rupam. Iti shabdo vyutthana vakya vyakhyana samaptyartham. So this sannyasa prakaranam is completed here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.